arrived and I'll be taking this bus to Yamoussoukro. My ticket is here to Yamoussoukro, and I don't speak French. Okay, so I don't know what's happening. What time? What time Carl Tom party? What time are we leaving? Huh? Well, time to go board now. So finally, I just boarded. Surviving here is quite interesting. Sometimes I just laugh when I'm trying to communicate and nobody can understand me. Anyway, the bus seems pretty much comfortable. This is what it looks like. The seats are really comfortable, as you can see. And yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see Yamoussoukro. Yes, you can. Yeah. So we are leaving right now, and as you can see, it has started raining. This is Ajame in Abidjan. It's a market area, but these rains won't let me prosper. So we just had a stop and people walked in. They are selling stuff, biscuits, hawking basically, in the bus. Okay. Well, so I just arrived in Yamoussoukro. I'm going down. Wow, so I just got here, alighted, trying to figure out my way in this new city. I'm finally happy to be in Yamoussoukro. So this is the place where I am at. I don't speak the language, but I'm going to try and figure out how to move from this point. Let's see my first moment in Yamoussoukro. First thing I've noticed, the color of the taxis here is different. It's white with the stripes. Yeah, it's white with the stripes of the flag, but in Abidjan it's mostly yellow and orange. I booked 2 places on Airbnb and they got cancelled. No, one got cancelled and another one is not picking. So I'm going to look for, he's gonna help me get a new place to stay. So in the meantime, let's go. First impressions. the roads are quite wide. Basilica. Oh, that's the biggest church. The Basilica. It's called Chapel. The Notre Dame. Oh, yeah, that's the biggest church in the world.
Notre Dame de la Paix.
Okay, Notre Dame. Oh, and the mosque. Okay. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Hôtel.
Oh, hôtel.
Ouais, hôtel.
Okay. L'hôtel Fanon. So we're checking out the first place, this hotel called Fanon. Let's see how much it costs per night. So I'll take you some. Je voudrais voir. I want to see. Do you speak English? Okay.
Non, mais ça va.
Je voudrais voir chambre. Okay, so this is my view. And this is the room that I'm going to take for 15,000 CFA, which is approximately $30. I think simple place, at least it has a study desk, I can do my work, although I'm planning to just be filming here. And toilet, simple toilet, bathroom, and yeah, that's it. Un gym set.
Voilà.
Set. Oui. I'm changing to this one, set. Gym set. Oui. Okay, so I just finished checking in, and one interesting thing I've noticed, they ask you for the name of your father and mother when checking in, you know, which is pretty interesting. I've never seen that. Anyway, so now I'm going to take you on an adventure and let's see what Yamoussoukro looks like. So, because I only have like 48 hours, less than 48 hours actually. I have like 24 or 30 hours in Yamoussoukro, so let's go.
Mariage.
Oh, wedding! Someone's getting married today.
Nena Alpha le Bona. Avant d'aller fallier, parler d'un tout là.
Home.
Oui.
Home president.
Oh, President's home. Oh, Felix. No.
Felix Oufoué-Boigny.
Okay, Felix. Oh, okay. So this was the home of the former President Felix. So big. The one who moved the capital city to this place. Sevron.
La Cocaïma.
Ah, La Cocaïma. Wow. Okay, so that's the monument of the president, Felix Oufoué-Boigny. And that's a church, and all this compound on this stretch was his home. I'm so glad that he's showing me around, and I can understand a little with a little French that I know. Crocodile? Oh, crocodiles! These crocodiles in the water. Wow, his place was really good. Like, imagine all this space, all the way beyond there, several acres. I'll go find out how many acres this place was, and then I will show you. And then in front of it, he has this, I don't know, this looks like it's man-made, and then now they have some crocodiles in it. And on that side, I think that's the church, the basilica, but yeah, I'll take you there tomorrow. Let me just try. Attends, je voudrais aller. So I'm just crossing to show you this place and the man who built this city. Okay, so you see he has Lac Okema. This is the lake, what you see there, the crocodiles and all that. And this is actually like the plan of the place. As you can see, bit of it, and if you understand French, you can read this information. So it's called plains.Yamoussoukro. And the man, this is the man. This is Felix. Felix, oui? Yeah, so that is Felix.
Surualiko mbolo moidole Surualiko mbolo moidole Nenkamente kwamento abukata Abugate Nekambe Allah Nekambe Nekambe Allah Nekambe
To be a very big event here at night. So I think I'll attend. If it has music and dance and fun, I'll definitely show up. So as you can see, the preparation is going on and we stopped by here. So from what I understand, his organization or his company is organizing this event. So I think that's why we've also stopped by here. So I don't know where we're going next, but I'm just going with the flow. As usual, you know Team Tigress, we just go with the flow. Well, so there is some food here. Aloko? Oh, oui.
Get me rowdy.
So we are finally here to eat. Of course.
Tu as vu? My friend.
Ami.
You have to
Bonjour.
Elle te salue.
Bonjour, madame.
Tout va bien?
Merci, ça va. Et chez vous?
Je suis bien.
Vous payez combien?
Kenyan, je suis Kenyan.
Ah, ok.
Oui.
Bon, c'est pas pourtant que vous ne payez pas.
Parlez doucement.
On ne comprend même pas tout.
Parlez doucement, doucement.
D'accord.
Elle doit pas doucement, elle comprend.
Madame,
Oui.
le film.
Oui.
Le film.
Oui, film.
Ouais. C'est payant.
Non, c'est... Je n'ai pas d'argent. Well, after a long day, so I'm having a loco, plantain, cassava, it's called acheke, and then there's chicken. Like, they really make good chicken here. So I'll be ending this vlog here because I'm very hungry, but I just love the view. I don't know if the lake or the water is man-made, but it's very beautiful, and the view of the streets when you're driving, it's really nice. So I'm just loving this city from my first impressions, and I don't know, the only problem is I have very little time in this city. Anyway, see you in the next one.